Ki long kumno ki siar. How are the chickens? Ki siar ki clan. The chickens are fine. Nga kwa thiết napi. I want to buy from you. Thiết na sha sor. Buy from the town. Nga kwa ban wan pet yapi shashnong. I want to visit you at the village. I want to visit you at the village. Pinshim shuti ne. Are you going to take a leave? Em ngan wan hakamiet sni sajan. No, I will come on Saturday night. No, I will come on Saturday night. Pi snow qua ban pin lớn ya kamiet shania. Would you like to spend a night here? Would you like to spend a night here? Nga berkhan ya kata hi. I thought of that only. Hakapor ba pidan halenti while you are on the way. Sha bangan shed naka benta jongpi. Allow me to cook for you. Ngin shu shed sang yaka. We will just roast it.